This is going to be a real short video today. So I have these A-pillar mounts. These come out with the grab handle on the inside, and these are from Elevate Metalworks. And so I'll show you how you get these installed. First thing I'm going to do is pop these off. I've got a trim removal tool. You basically stick this underneath and pry these off, and hope you don't lose them like I just did. Now that both are removed, there are 2 bolts in here. You can either use a Phillips head or a 10mm socket to remove them. I've got the grab handle removed, and you can see there's 2 little alignment tabs which line up with the 2 alignment tabs on here. And so this will mount so that it is kind of flush with the A-pillar like this. If you try to mount it the other way, even though it will fit, the grab handle gets in the way. So I'll get this mounted up, and you end up reusing the same hardware that's already on the grab handle. This is long enough. So yeah, I'll get this up and show you what it looks like. Here it is all mounted up. The bolts just have to be kind of hand tight. I used a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket. And yeah, grab handle still functional. You can pull on it, you can get back in the car, not an issue. And there's enough room here between the windshield, so you're not gonna have to hit. There's still enough room to kind of get back here from both sides if you want to put a nut or mount anything. And as you can see, I've got, this is the passenger side. I've got another one mounted on the driver's side. So on the driver's side, my plan is to put a phone mount or something that can hold a walkie-talkie. When you're on trails, you got to talk to other people in your group. And this one, we'll see, maybe like a first aid kit or something easily accessible, but that's the install. It's pretty simple. I think it looks pretty good. And honestly, when you put your phone mount here, this is kind of my line of sight. The phone is really easy to look at right here versus having to drill into the top of the dash or anything like some of the other mounts I've seen. And so I can kind of just glance up here and see it while still looking out onto the road. So I really like this. So thanks everybody for joining me. This is a real quick video. Hope you like the product. I was not sponsored. I did buy these, but I saw these on the GX470 Facebook page and really liked them. So if you like this, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.